how to turn on or turn off picture gallery sync while roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, tap on the menu button and then tap on settings. In here, tap on sync with OneDrive. And then we scroll down and tap on sync while roaming. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on, switch it off. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your gallery. Now in your gallery, there is also a cloud icon at the top. You can also tap on that to quickly go into your gallery sync with OneDrive. In here, you can also tap on or switch off sync while roaming. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.